Hey, I'm so excited to show you this mini handheld 6-inch chainsaw. It's cordless and it's battery operated. Let's check this baby out. Here's everything that came in the box. I love the look of this thing. So it has the saw itself from Aiuca. Got some safety glasses and it's got 2 batteries. I'm so happy about that. So this is nice. You can be using this and be charging this one. It comes with the battery charger. See that little plug right there? That goes in right there. It's got this tool here for putting on and off the bar. This for tightening your chain. It's got 2 chains too. It came with a spare chain. That's great. Some safety glasses, some gloves, the directions, and then here's this little bar. Now while I'm putting this saw together, I'm going to go ahead and make sure the batteries are all charged up. So I'll go ahead and plug this in, slap it in there. Charging up right now. If it's red, that means it needs to charge some more. If it's green, that means it's full and it's done. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this nut here and remove this side plate. Put the chain around the bar. It's going to go on like this. Make sure that that hole lines up with that there. And your teeth, you want to make sure your teeth are going the right way. So you can see how I have it here. That way they grab and cut the wood this way. You can put your chain on backwards, so make sure you don't do that. And once you get it loosely on there, hang on to it. I'm just going to give it a little, see that screw right there? That's the chain tightening screw or chain tensioning screw. Take your Phillips and tighten that up so you can take the slack out of your chain. And when you do that, what it's doing is it's moving this thing, this little tightener here, that way. So go ahead and crank it down. The chain's a little bit tighter. See, I took the slack out of the chain now. Now, I'm not fully tightening anything yet. Just getting it so I can get this cover back on. Put the cover back on there. We'll put the nut back on there. We're not going to tighten this down all the way. We're just going to barely tighten this nut down because we still have some more chain tightening to do. So I just kind of barely have it loose on there. The bar will almost still wiggle around a little bit. But you still want it loose because we're going to take this slack here out of that chain. We want to get that snap back. So go ahead and do our chain tensioning screw here. Get it nice and firmed up. One thing about chainsaws in general is that the chains stretch after you use them, so you'll find yourself having to go tighten this up again. So after you've tightened it up here as much as you want, that's about what we want there. We got that snap back that we're looking for. Now I'll go ahead and crank this down all the way to hold the position of the chain tensioner. There. Now when you're using this thing, it's got the safety device on here, so you got to press that in and then you can pull the trigger. So press that in, pull the trigger. If you don't, the trigger won't engage. It's kind of a nice little safety feature on that. Go ahead and put the battery in, put this thing to work. Okay, I just slid the battery in, clicked it in there. Kind of nice too, it's got a little hand guard here, but here you go. Push that down. These are great little tree trimmers, brush trimmers. Yeah, it even works good on the blackberries too. Gotta cut down this huge sunflower too.